Hi mom, welcome back to my channel. There's a beauty. Today we are going to be doing a beautiful soft arm makeup. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. But I've already prepped my skin with my moisturizer as well as my toner. Now for the priming my face, I'm going to be using this NYX Plump Right Back Primer. And I'm just going to use this to prime my face. Now for color correcting my skin, I'm going to be using this L'Oreal Paris Infallible Full Wear Concealer. I'm just going to put this on all the places where I want to color correct. I'm just going to blend this. For my face, I'm going to be using this House of Makeup Skin Tint, and I'm going to mix it with my infallible liquid filter. I'm just going to spread it with my fingers first all over my face. And I'm just going to blend this out. Now for bronzing your face, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. Luminous Putty Bronzer.
Just going to blend this into my skin.
Now for setting my face, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. Camo Hydrating Concealer. I'm just going to blend it out. For setting my skin, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. Halo Glow Setting Powder. Now for the brows, I'm going to be using this Maybelline Tattoo Brow 3-Day Styling Gel. For my eye look today, I'm going to be using this jaclyn Halo X Morphe palette. Starting with, I'm going to be using this MF80 shade. I'm putting it right here, all over my eyelids, just like so. I'm just going to do the same with my other eye as well. I'm taking the same shade and I'm just going to color my under eye as well. Now I'm gonna be taking the shade called Buns. I'm just gonna put this on the outer corners, just like that. Just going to do the same on my other eyes as well. I'm gonna be taking the same shade and put it right on my lower lash line, but on the outer corners. Now I'm gonna be taking this shade called Roxana, and I'm just gonna take a beautiful small brush, and with this I'm going to blend this right on my lash line, just like that. I'm also going to take the same shade right here on my lower lash line. Now for lining my eyes, I'm just going to be using the shade called Jazz, right like that. And I'm just going to form a beautiful eyeliner with this. Just gonna do the same on my other eye as well. I'm also gonna take the same shade and put it right on my lower lash line, right there. Just right there. Just gonna do the same. On my other eyes as well. Now I'm just going to extend my inner corners just with the same shade. Just gonna do the same on my other eyes as well. Now for the mascara, I'm gonna be using this e.l.f. Lash and Roll. First, I'm going to be curling my lashes. I'm just going to use mascara. This is a very beautiful lengthening mascara. Guys, now for the lips, I'm going to be using this beautiful lip liner. It's from K-Beauty. It's their, I think, matte liner, lip liner, something like that. So it's in the shade Sensational. Now I'm going to be using this Peripera Ink Velvet. It's in the shade 23. So I'm just going to put this right on the center and right here. And with my fingers, I'm just going to blend this out. This is a very beautiful, like a chocolatey kind of a autumn kind of a lip shade it is. Okay guys, now for the blush, I'm just going to be using the same Ink Velvet lip tint. This is a beautiful tint and you can really just use it for all over your face. It really works so well in that. So I'm just taking some. I'm just going to blend this out with my blusher brush. Just like that. And the finish of this product is also beautiful. I'm just going to put a bit more. Just going to blend this out. I'm also going to just use it right here on my nose. Now for setting my face, I'm going to be using this Dewy Coconut Setting Spray from e.l.f. Okay guys, this is the final look. Okay guys, I hope you liked today's video. If you did, please consider subscribing my channel and liking this video. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Until that, bye bye.